Welcome to our comparison of two high-performance graphics cards, the Sapphire Nitro plus AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT and the MSI Gaming RTX 5060 Ti. In this video, we'll explore their specifications, cooling solutions, and pricing to help you decide which card is right for you. Let's dive in. The Sapphire Nitro plus AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT boasts a high memory capacity of 16 GB GDDR6 with a 256-bit memory interface, while the MSI Gaming RTX 5060 Ti also features 16 GB but with GDDR6X and a 128-bit interface. The RX 9070 XT has a higher clock speed of 3060 MHz, making it a strong contender for high-end gaming. In contrast, the RTX 5060 Ti is built on NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture, which is known for its efficiency and performance in gaming. When it comes to cooling solutions, the Sapphire Nitro Plus does not specify its cooling technology, which raises questions about its efficiency under load. On the other hand, the MSI Gaming RTX 5060 Ti features advanced cooling technology with TORX Fan 4.0, designed to optimize airflow and maintain lower temperatures during intense gaming sessions. This could be a crucial factor for gamers looking to push their hardware to the limits. In terms of pricing, the Sapphire Nitro plus AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT is priced at $929, making it a premium option for those seeking top-tier performance. In contrast, the MSI Gaming RTX 5060 Ti is significantly more affordable at $554. This price difference could make the RTX 5060 Ti a more attractive option for budget-conscious gamers who still want high performance. In conclusion, both the Sapphire Nitro plus AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT and the MSI Gaming RTX 5060 Ti offer impressive features for gamers. The RX 9070 XT stands out with its high memory capacity and clock speed, while the RTX 5060 Ti excels in cooling technology and affordability. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific gaming needs and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.